I started this DIY by removing the label from a 10.5-ounce coffee can. I spray painted my can with paint plus primer. Then I added 3 coats of acrylic paint that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Once my white paint dried, I mixed khaki acrylic paint that I purchased at Walmart with a little bit of Mod Podge and water to make a thinner consistency. Then I used my brush to make paint splatters on my can. Once I got the design that I wanted, I allowed my khaki paint to dry as well. To hide some of the grooves in my can, I attached heart-shaped ribbon that I purchased at Dollar Tree to every other groove. Once I was done attaching my ribbon, I attached wooden heart-shaped cutouts that I purchased at Dollar Tree to the areas where I closed my ribbon. Next, I attached a terrarium that I purchased at Dollar Tree to the top of my can, and I attached rose blooms that I also purchased at Dollar Tree to my terrarium, placing them close together to hide my terrarium underneath. You can also use a styrofoam ball for this step. The hot glue did not stick well to the plastic, so I just used it as a temporary hold, but I was using my Gorilla Hot Glue for a permanent hold. In total, I used 5 bunches of rose blooms, but if I were to do this project over again, I probably would use 6. Overall, I really like this project. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.